What's up, YouTube? Just a little quick view on this SST. Picked it up in California. It's a 97 supercharged. It will be a restoration project as it is kind of beat up. Hole in the seat, cracked dash. Interior will clean up. It says Beltec lowered. Has a 2.4 drop on it. Stock SST rims. It is KENNE Bell supercharged. It needs work. I did get it running, but there was a backfire and the I don't know if the fuel line behind the supercharger popped. Had a minor engine fire. I put it out, kind of charred the harness there, but no big deal. I got to pull the whole supercharger off and look at all the lines back there, and hopefully the harness isn't too damaged. Otherwise, I got spares at home. But yeah, just a quick overview. DRT2G YouTube. I'm also planning on putting it on these 18x9 Eagle Alloy 203 wheels. I will be polishing them up. But yeah, this truck needs some work. Peace.